Oh my god, I just realized that this ladder is called a RIKADE. I hope this ladder is not rickety. Hey everyone, this is a quick review of the Tenneco S1. No, I'm just kidding, but this is a pretty awesome vacuum machine. But I just vacuumed this so I can show you. Jeez Louise. All right, so just got this sent in exchange for an honest review. So I'm going to just simply do an unboxing and show you what's inside. Now you got a cool instruction manual just in case you don't know how a ladder operates. Fold, open, lock, storage for those that are born under a rock with their fingers in their ears and their eyes shut. But it comes in a nice envelope that will hopefully easily recycle. It's an Xbox! It's an Xbox! No, it's not an Xbox. My kids are getting all excited. I made fun of the instructions, but now I can't lock it. Oh, I think that's how it is. Oh, there we go. Good thing there's instructions. Switch into the wide angle so you can kind of see it a little bit better. But yeah, so it's got these non-grippies, or non-grippies. The grippies, non-grippies would be slippies. You have some padding up here, easy to carry. The feet, would I say that they're okay enough for hardwood floors? No, they're not quite rubber. They're kind of like a hard or soft plastic. These are like a hard plastic. And I would still probably put those, pads on it if you have nice hardwood floors and you don't want to scratch them. But yeah, pretty nice. And didn't check the weight on it, but I'm sure 200 pounds is fine. All right. I'm touching my ceiling up here, and I have 10-foot ceilings. So pretty good. I mean, this thing's like $100, but folds up nice, hang it on the wall. And whenever you want to get to something super high, or just, a little bit higher, this will work. How does this work? Yeah, it's because I made fun of the needing instructions. It's hard to open and lock, but that's karma for you. Pretty awesome ladder. It's a good price. Black on black, blends in well to any kind of black aesthetic garage or black components, and really sturdy, strong, and good price. Link in the description below, and have a good day.